Good morning. Happy snow day, which is unfortunate. I was so looking forward to coming back today, but the weather should be better and I should still be able to see you guys in person. So, the things that we do have scheduled on the calendar for today, even though it's a snow day, they do need to get done at some point because they're both really important. One of them is a notebook check that you're supposed to be submitting today, and I'll extend the deadline to Friday. And the second one is graphing questions, and I think the deadline's already Friday. If you need a little bit more time, just get it turned in when you can. Okay. Um, Let me show you what we're doing. Oh, before I do that, of course. Chloe. Chloe, say hi to the kids. Come on. Wake up. You're getting tail thumps, which is a pretty good thing. Come on, wake up. Say hi. 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 I guess that's all you're getting this morning. Sorry. All right, so let me show you what's going on in Schoology. Sadly, I don't have my notebook with me because I didn't realize that I'd be quarantined for a while. So it's still at school and I haven't been there to get it yet. So I can show you Schoology stuff, but I won't actually have my physical notebook to show you anything. So we'll go into materials. First of all, you should make sure you check the updates once in a while. Okay, I do post things in here. This is a really important place to look for like deadlines and stuff like that, so you should always check. Then go to materials, and we're going to scroll down to October. And today is the 26th, so we will, oh, I messed up. Huh? I'm in the wrong folder, guys. I'm sorry. I need to go to October, not September. Let me try that again. We'll go to materials. It's been a long time, okay? October. This is the month that we need. This looks better. We're in October 26th, and here's October 26th. So you can see that today you're going to have a notebook check and a graphing question. We're going to start doing these every week. For this quarter, they're going to count as practice grades. So every week you'll have this as like a practice. And then in like when we come back after winter break, we're going to start counting those as like little quiz grades. So it'll be more to balance out. So, but for this quarter, they're all practice, just so you kind of know what to expect. And then when we do start counting them as quiz grades, it won't affect you so much if you don't understand, because you've been practicing this whole time. So when I click into the folder, here's the table of contents and daily journals, just like normal, and weekly graph questions, number 1. Sorry, teacher side looks a little different, but you're going to see these questions, and they're going to be 5 multiple choice questions. It shouldn't take you more than 5 minutes, maybe one question, like a minute. So that's that. You're going to submit that. Then your notebook check. Your notebook check is actually going to be submitted through Schoology this week. So up here, you guys are going to see a submit button, and then you can record a video. If you need help on how to do that, there's a video for you right here. And if you want an example of a notebook check video, this is actually Ms. Dominguez's video that she made, but there's a notebook check example right here. And I really want you guys to pay attention to the rubric, because a lot of you are not doing these last 2 things. So half of your notebook grade is based on like completing the assignments and doing your daily journals. Okay, that's half of your grade. The other half of your grade is actually explaining and talking during your video. Okay, I want to hear you and what you have to say. This is where you're talking about the assignments that you did. On this page, we did this lab. And we measured blah, 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 blah. Okay. Then here, this is, and when we did that lab, I learned about blank. So for each page, you should be talking about what you did and what you learned. A lot of you are not getting full notebook checkpoints because you're not doing these 2 things. A lot of you are I should be scoring you down here because you're not explaining anything, but I've been pretty generous and I've been scoring you here. But pretty soon I'm not going to be that generous anymore, because you know the expectations now. Okay, you need to explain what you did and what you learned on every single page, and then get that turned in. says the due date is today. Since we have a snow day, I'll be pretty flexible. As long as you get it in by Friday, that'd be great. There's no time limit for these videos, but I do think if you're doing it right, it should take you at least 2 to 3 minutes. Your notebook check should never be less than a minute long. That's to me saying I didn't do everything, okay, when I grade it. So it should be at least 2 to 3 minutes, and it probably shouldn't be more than 5, but it's not going to cut you off. So if you need more time, you have it. There's going to be an Edpuzzle here posted as soon as I can, and that will be ready for you. And here is the assignment that you're going to be doing today. It's called Balancing Equation Simulations, and I can pull that up so you can see it. It's going to be a Google Doc assignment. You're going to click on the links, and then you're going to go back in and answer the questions. Actually, let me find that really quick for you. All the fun things that we have going on. Where'd it go? My computer's a little slow this morning. Here we go. All right, so this is what the worksheet is going to look like. So any place there is a box that's empty, you're going to be filling it in with information. So at first, you're going to be watching this video. When you click on the blue, that will be a link for you. And then you're going to be answering the questions here. So what does this mean? What does this mean? And what does this mean? Then you're going to go to this simulation. Again, if you click on the blue, it's a link for you. And then there's directions embedded in here telling you exactly what to do, what to click on. And then again, any questions you need to answer, there's going to be blank boxes for you to fill in. And then here's the second simulation. So this assignment should probably take you about 45 minutes. Oh no. So I think that's pretty good. If you guys have any other questions, you can email me. That I believe is the last thing for the week, because then we go into November, and that will be for next week. Okay. All right. Bye guys. See you tomorrow or Thursday.